Where can I find a St. Patrick's Day playlist? If you are curious about where to find a St. Patrick's Day playlist, you are in for a treat. This festive occasion is filled with lively music that captures the spirit of Irish traditions. Whether you are celebrating in Ireland or at home, there are plenty of options to enjoy authentic Irish music. First, consider popular music streaming platforms like Spotify and Amazon Music. These services have curated playlists specifically for St. Patrick's Day. You will find a delightful mix of traditional Irish folk songs, lively drinking songs, and modern Irish rock and pop anthems. Artists like the Dubliners, Luke Kelly, and the Clancy Brothers are often featured alongside contemporary bands such as U2 and the Pogues. These playlists are perfect for setting the mood during your celebrations. Another great source is YouTube. You can find long compilations of classic Irish songs that are ideal for St. Patrick's Day. One popular playlist features the Dubliners and includes iconic tracks like The Irish Rover, Seven Drunken Nights, Molly Malone, and Whiskey in the Jar. These collections often run for over an hour, providing a rich experience of traditional Irish music that is central to Irish festivals and celebrations. If you are traveling in Ireland during St. Patrick's Day, you can also enjoy live music at local pubs and festivals. Many venues feature live Celtic bands and Irish step dancers, creating an authentic atmosphere that recorded playlists cannot fully replicate. Some events even hire DJs who play Irish music playlists tailored to the holiday, blending traditional tunes with modern Irish rock and folk. Additionally, there are specialized Irish music albums and collections dedicated to St. Patrick's Day. These are often available for download or streaming and include both instrumental and vocal tracks. You can find lively jigs and reels alongside heartfelt ballads, showcasing the diversity of Irish musical traditions celebrated on this day. In summary, whether you prefer digital playlists on streaming platforms, curated YouTube compilations, or live music experiences while traveling in Ireland, there are many ways to find a St. Patrick's Day playlist that suits your mood. Enjoy the music and let it connect you to the rich Irish heritage celebrated during this festive occasion.